Noteflight Learn comes with an included content library. Just go up to Libraries and you'll see it. This is the Noteflight Learn library. It's different than the add-on content libraries and the Essential Elements libraries. Let's take a look. So here I am. There's a bunch of stuff in here. And like all the other content libraries, you can search for format and whatever opening key you're looking for over here in the search menu. Let's open up a chorale. So here's a 4-staff Bach chorale. And let's arrange this for a saxophone ensemble. So the first thing I'll need to do is create an editable copy. That puts it into my Noteflight Learn library. So I've got a soprano, alto, tenor, bass, and what I'm going to do is edit the instrument. So I'll click on Edit, and then I'm just going to change this soprano part to be an alto sax. I'm going to do that for all of the parts. There, so the first step is done. I've got the instruments all changed, so I can go over to the menu here and I can click on Show in Concert Pitch. That's going to toggle off concert pitch, and I'll now see the transposed pitch. So I could print this right now and give it to my kids, but they will all complain about the key signature. So I'm going to go down to pitch and I'm going to transpose this. Let's move this down, say, a second, and I'm going to keep the change key signature selected, and that's going to be much more agreeable to them. So all I'll have to do now is I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to hit print. So print full score and individual parts, continue, it prepares to print, and I'm ready to go. So there, and then I can hand that over to my saxophone quartet and they can play.